All right, here we go. Welcome back. October 22nd. And what you didn't see in the last video was that I moved a couple boxes up above the inner cover. See if that's coming in. The sun's in my face again. But right there. So these two, I'm hoping the girls cleaned out, pulled down, and we'll go from there. But let's take a peek. This is going to be my last inspection, and it looks like they are all over it. So we might not be. What the heck is this thing? What the heck that thing is? I don't know what that is. Just dug right into my inner cover. Got a big cocoon, nasty pink. Okay, girls, I'm not sure what that was. But let's get it out of there. Wow, it like literally bored right into it. Anyways, let's see what these girls are up to. I'm hoping they pulled some frames, pulled some of the Nectar out, brought it down. I think it's been a little over a week. So let's take a peek. But it's coming off today, one way or the other. So like I said, these two boxes up here were above the inner cover, which is supposedly supposed to help the girls bring it down. Kind of like when you put a feed bucket on. So, because what's worst case scenario for me is a lot of shaking today. So we got a little bit of Nectar right here. So let's see. So it's all coming off. And then what I'm gonna do is, yeah, they're still here. Didn't work as well as, probably need a little more time. You can see a little bit right here. But we gotta get it down because I am running out of time, temperature wise. So that's got some Nectar on it. All right, so that one didn't work so well. So let's see if we can find those three. You got a little right there. Let's see what we got. I'm probably just gonna have to leave these out is what I'm gonna do, because I don't have time. I was hoping a week and a half, or whatever it was. I think it was a little over a week. They were gonna pull that down. This is empty. Boop. No, it's not. So there's just a hair, just a little bit on here. So let me start shaking, putting into a box. It's time to condense down to nothing. And then what I'll do is I'll leave these out at my house and they will clean it up. And then we can put it away for winter. Because I don't want to put wet frames away for winter. And this isn't enough. So just bear with me for a second here. I'm trying to fly through this. There we go. Fly through. Behind me I got a little workbench. And I got my cover. There's some pretty wet right there. And so I'm just putting these, and then I'll cover them. So last time I was out here, did not go so well when it comes to not having robbers. They went crazy. So I really had to hurry up with everything. Okay, so there's one box. I only had a few frames in there. I was hoping they were gonna just bring it right down, but they didn't. So let's see. So there's one. Just a camera for you. And we'll see what we're doing here. Okay. So like I said, this is it's just hoping that they would pull it down a little bit better. All right, that one's empty. That's good. Let's do this. Still some Nectar coming in. Look at the wet. And it's got dark, so it's not like someone's open feeding or anything like that. But we're having crazy warm weather still. So this one here, I mean, that was the other thing. Usually I would scrape that, and so that would help them move it down, but there was so much robbing going on, I didn't even want to bother. Make things worse. They already were. Can't have that. Another box. So here we go. This is, I mean, some of this one here, oh, look at the water coming off that, I mean the nectar. So this one here, I mean, I might actually freeze it and save it. So let's take a look at what's underneath also. All right, a couple more. Yeah, these are good. Yeah, like I said, I didn't think they would move the capped honey down, but I was in a bad place. So anyways, this is it. Part of me is excited, part of me is sad. End of the season here. Because from here on out, all right, this one's good. There's a little bit of nectar there. All right, let's see. One more. Yeah, look at this one. This is one I'll freeze. All right. I'll put this one aside. You can see this. If I have an empty frame somewhere, that'd be a beautiful frame to give them. All right. So, not as well as I hoped, but it is what it is. I have no other choices. There we go. All right, guys. Hold on now. Alrighty, here we go. That's any indication of what's in here. Alright guys, let's just take a minute. I know it's windy today. My last inspection of the year. Just want to make sure everybody's good. So I'm gonna take this and we'll see what they have in here. Ooh, hi beetle, hi beetle. Gotcha. I know, I don't have hive beetle problems like other people. I see 2 or 3 and I get mad. All right, Cross. All right, let me make sure you're seeing what I'm seeing, which you are. So, this is also my last chance to see how far off they are from needing feed, and how they're doing on honey stores going into winter. So let's take a peek, see what they're up against. Probably gonna, all right, so we got a little bit of open right there, completely open right there. That's the outer frame. So let's see here. All right, that is all nectar from end to end. End to end. Same here, just not capped. You can see they capped a little bit here and there, but so one complete frame. Let's call it 1.5, because that one's a half. All right. So gives me an idea. All right, that's full. Little spot right here that's got some, but this is all full end to end. 2.5. Three and a half. Let's go. See what the middle looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. 4.5. Come on. All right, so that's ooh. All right, so that is, let's call that 4. So we're looking at 4 solid frames of honey. Let's go, that's almost, I'd say 5.5 there. That one's pretty close. 5.5. Okay, all right, hold on, you guys are stuck. All right, let's Let's call that 6 1/4. There's the wind. 6 1/4, and that is, other than right there, let's call that 7 easily. Easily 7. Okay. And let's call that a half. So we're looking at 7 1/2 frames. I don't even know what's in the bottom yet. Probably nothing, but let's wait and see here. So let's put this back together. So 7 1/2. Takes these girls about two days to suck down a gallon, a 2 to 1. So within the next week or so. All right, this is it. Here you go, girls. I've been leaving the excluder off. On, because I didn't want the queen to come up and start laying in that open area. I want them to fill it with feed first. Oh, these things are so propolized. Okay. So that's that. All right, so I'm gonna call that 7 1/2. And then we're gonna take a peek down here in the brood box. Okay, girls. All right, there's a lot of bees. That was shaking. Full hive right here. So this is how they're gonna winter. A deep and a medium for me. So I'm gonna switch it over to make another video for just the brood. But that's it. I mean, looking at 7 1/2 frames of honey in there. Definitely have at least 2 weeks, 3 weeks to feed. So they can definitely take two gallons, no problem, and be ready for winter. Thank you for watching.